Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ramba ke Jylla Conrad sangma uloong bakadon ke Kyrduh domestic LPG niki tendong le airshed haki yeng ki sam ha Jylla hendai kamdei ke bapalat katba ki commercial LPG bapunan kam haki kam business bat ki hospital kadon ke Kyrduh ha Baroh Kawei kari habakran shikilat bathai khbor ha shitarik ya yong arhajar arphendriu uloong baka sarkar India kalakentiu ya kejingsa miki commercial LPG haman ki Jylla dah nyop 4% naka 4% baju sam menshwa hendai kejingtrai kam jong kadi kan salongshen ukermen bahkan kisngi banwan kejingsam kan Kham kiu uloong baka jing kadai namar kathma ha Middle East kaba kumba khandai 4% ke LPG lawanra nakiri badan hakati kathan kaba hap ya lingba ke state of Hormuz hendai uloong baka sarkar India kala penbej renti haki kirdan bapher ban penduna ya kejing bagi nongshong shnong ki kendu.
Basically.
Can you tell us the status now as of Meghalaya is concerned?
As of Meghalaya is concerned, there is from the domestic use we are still managing. It's there is some shortage, but not that much. But when it comes to commercial LPG, there is a shortage throughout the nation. So government has increased the amount to 70% of the original amount, which was there for all the states. Earlier it was 20%. And then now they've increased to 70%, but the actual impact of that is yet to be felt. We do expect that in the coming days that the actual supply will go up, and we do expect some relief. But of course, these are a bit of a challenge because, as you're aware, almost 90% of the LPG requirement is there. It comes from this region and passes to the state of Hormuz, and therefore the challenges are there. But at the same time, as I said, the government of India is making arrangements at different levels to minimize the inconvenience that the people are facing.
What about our bottling plant? Why is it hanging?
It's something that was hanging for a long time, and it was this government that took the decision, provided the land, and the construction has started. Obviously, everything takes time. You cannot expect the construction to be over, but it's going very fast. So we expect it to be completed soon. It should have been done a long time back. But that's okay, but we took the decision, we provided the land, and we are now almost at the point where we should be able to complete it.
So following the